Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me this morning. I just wanted to jump on here real quick and show you something that I've been working on. I don't have a lot of time to be on here today or this morning because I have to get to my regular job, and then I have my son's birthday party this evening, and then his wedding shower tomorrow, and tons of stuff going on. But I posted the video for my two newest digi kits, the Azalea Spring and the Aqualina Dreams, and I will leave a link for both of those kits in the description down below. And I have been working on an Aqualina Dreams journal, and so I just wanted to real quickly jump on here, show you where I'm at with it so far, and if I get a chance this weekend, I'll because I do have a couple more that I'm going to make. I'm going to try and have when I post this, I want to have about 5 of them available in my Etsy shop. So if I get a chance this weekend, I will jump back on here and kind of show you the process of how I made the cover, how I sewed the signatures in, that kind of stuff. But this morning I just basically want to show you where I'm at so far, and so let's just jump right into it. Okay guys, so I am back now, and this is the Aqualina Dreams journal that I have been working on. It's approximately 6 by 9. I have used chipboard for the cover. It has a big spine, and as you can see, it has 4 signatures sewn in. I have used lace to cover the seams up between the different papers. On the inside, I used some satin ribbon to cover the binding area up. So this is just, you know, it's just super fun. I still have a lot to do to it, but I just really wanted to jump on here and show you where I'm at so far. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I love the lace that I chose to cover the seam area up with. I'm not sure exactly yet what I'm going to do on the front, but there will be some more embellishment. On the inside, I just used some more of the papers from the digi kit to put in there. Like I said, this is 4 signatures. So those are the signatures that I have. In this first signature here, you can see I used the same pattern from the front. And then I'm going to use the blanks pages on the back to do a lot of the embellishments. This is coffee dyed paper, and I love the colors that it picked up because it kind of goes with the theme of the journal. This is a vintage National Geographic magazine page, 1951 I believe it is. Another one of the pages from my kit, and as you can see, I haven't even rounded the edges or anything yet. Coffee dyed manuscript paper. This is a piece of leather paper. I do have it folded because I'm not sure if I'm going to leave it like that for it to flip out or make some kind of pocket or tuck with it. Another piece of the paper out of the digi kit. Coffee dyed paper. Coffee dyed notebook paper. And here we are at the middle of the signature. So these pages repeat. So let's go to the next signature. I picked up just the more soft, subtle page here. This is a sheet of coffee dyed paper. We have a piece of very old music, and I just love the feel of this. It's so slick and smooth. Another one of the sheets out of the digi kit. Again, it's another piece of the coffee dyed graph paper. I've got it folded here. Not exactly sure what I'm going to do with it yet. Here's another piece of the manuscript paper. Another sheet from the digi kit. Coffee dyed notebook paper. Coffee dyed paper. And then this repeats. Moving on to the third signature. We have the coffee dyed notebook paper, another sheet of music. Again, it's just so slick and smooth. I just love the way it feels. I love this sheet that's in the Digi Kit. I just absolutely love it. This is an actual copy of a page out of a scrapbook album, and these were like 1921 and 22. Another sheet of that graph paper, manuscript paper. This is another page out of the Digi Kit. Another sheet of coffee dyed paper, and I don't know if you can see, but it almost looks like a honeycomb pattern. I love how all of the coffee dyed papers come out with different designs. This is another sheet of that coffee dyed tracing paper. I love the sound of it to begin with, but then I just love the colors that it picked up. And so this repeats again. And to the last signature here. Again, it's a page out of my Digi Kit. Another sheet of that coffee dyed paper. And I don't know if you can see the pattern that this one picked up. This is a page out of the poems of Winnie the Pooh. Another sheet out of my Digi Kit. Another one of those coffee dyed tracing papers. More graph paper. Another sheet out of the Digi Kit. Coffee dyed manuscript paper. Coffee dyed notebook paper. And then it repeats. I do have one embellishment that I went ahead and put in the back here. This is, it was a CD sleeve, one of those little paper CD sleeves. I have embellished the front of it, put something in it to give the background some color. So now I have a clear pocket here, and then I left it to where there's also a pocket back here behind the sleeve. I don't know if you can see that. So I have done that, but that's all I've done so far. And then we go back here to the back, and as you can see, I incorporated that satin ribbon again. It just kind of really picked up the blue color of the journal. So this will be available in my Etsy shop when I get done with it, probably by this weekend, say March 7th, March 8th. So stay on the lookout for that. I will go ahead and put a link to the digitals that I used in this. And so stay tuned. I will try to get some videos as I am working on this journal. But thanks for watching, guys. Make sure if you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that little notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I put a new video up. I am trying to put videos up more often now, and I'm also trying to release a new Digi Kit at least once a week. So once my subscriber count gets up a little bit, I want to give you guys a thank you for subscribing. And so I will be posting for free. It will probably be a mini digital kit, like 5, 6, 7, 8 pages. So just stay on the lookout for that. Tell your friends to come and watch my videos, like my channel. Short girl that thinks she's tall. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. I hope you have a wonderful weekend.